Alright guys, so I'm going to do a gesture drawing on camera so you guys can see. I need my lighter pencil. I'm doing that again. Okay, lighter pencil here, 4H, and then I just went on Pinterest and found something that I really like, and I want to start with getting that gesture down. I might have to do this more than one time. Over, do it again. I really like using this, and then I'll do the pen and ink part of it. I don't know that it really matters for some people. I don't know. I have the tendency to start with the head and then I move around. Okay, I messed up on some of that right there, and then the hand could have been better on that side. And so what I'll do is I'll just redraw it, and then I'll just draw it here on the side, because I think about, like, you can always grab it and then re-grab. And I think it's because it's so small. So my hands, I feel like I could have been a little bit more stronger on the silhouette. So now I'm just gonna fix that. And it's one of those things, maybe you have to draw it like bigger, or you have to draw it more than once. It was probably too small when I was drawing that, and then I want to draw it with my other hand. Kind of want to articulate that pinky finger. That looks a little better to me. My index finger's looking too big. Okay, so these I'll redraw, and then I can Photoshop it together. So I'm just gonna go in and still looking off, so it maybe I have to do it more than once, and maybe I need to turn my paper too. Trying to keep it level for the camera, but I'm like, it's not working. Yeah, that one's better. Like that one feels good to me. This one, and I can fix that, got a little too long. So I need to redo the other hand again and just turn my paper. Let me draw it again. Like they say, you kind of want to fan for your fingers, because if you look at your hand, it curves. So that's probably better already. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Now I am going to go ahead. Oh, let me get that other part of the wrist. So those will get photoshopped in there, and I'll fix up that one spot. If I wanted to, sometimes I use gouache, and I'll just go back in and use it like whiteout. And here's the thing about the brush pen, play around with thick and thin, and it's really based on pressure. If you think about you know, any kind of brush painting, it's like if you press down harder, you're gonna get a wider, the thinner lines, literally less pressure. How you turn, you get these nice little textures like I wanted in her cape, and I thought that would help her silhouette. And so there's this window behind her,